Hey everybody, here's an update. Okay, with all this rain we had, I think this guy's ready to be picked. Look at how big that is. So, let me go ahead to do that without dropping it. We'll just give it a cut here. Trying to hold on to the phone with one hand and cut this with another. So, let me give it a cut. And we'll hold it up with my knee. Ooh, I caught it. There we go. So there is the zucchini, and it's very heavy. Very heavy. So now hopefully the plant will produce some more because it's vining up very nicely all on this big trellis. Some of these older leaves will cut off. But we had a lot of rain, and you'd expect this to get really big. Okay, there we are. Time to eat.